This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the watch has at least 20% battery and your phone is nearby. This prevents interruptions. Next, unlock the watch and open settings, then navigate to sound or notifications so you can see current modes. If the watch is paired, make sure Bluetooth is active on both devices because some models mirror phone mute. Once done, you'll be ready to change modes. Begin by checking if Do Not Disturb or Silent is enabled, and note which one is active. You now turn off Silent and Do Not Disturb modes. First tap Sound or Volume and either increase volume or toggle off Silent. Many watches show an icon when muted. Then open Do Not Disturb and choose Disable, or cancel any active schedule that re-enables it. Make sure to check the paired phone's companion app because some watches mirror phone mute. You may need to unmute the phone or change app settings. Once you see sound icons return, test a notification to verify audio. You finish by confirming audio and handling common failures. Play a test alert, ringtone, or use the companion app to send a notification so you can hear the result. If there's no sound, restart the watch and try again. If that fails, unpair and repair Bluetooth because connection glitches can block audio. Make sure volume limits or accessibility settings aren't capping sound, update the watch OS, and verify no accessories like earbuds are auto-silencing it. This one tip often fixes phantom mute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.